Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the given number is a perfect cube. If not, then we have to find the smallest divisible that makes the given number a perfect cube number. Our first example is 53,240 a perfect cube? If not, then by which smallest natural number should 53,240 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? Okay, so solution. So the given number is 53,240. So first what we want to find is, we want to find whether the given number 53,240 is a perfect cube number. If it is not a perfect cube number, then we want to find a smallest natural number, that is factor, which is to be divided so that the quotient becomes a perfect cube. So first let's find the prime factorization for 53,250 to check whether 53,240 is a perfect cube number or not. So now let's do the prime factorization. So 53,240, first I am dividing it by 2. So I'll get 26,620, which further divide by 2, I'll get 13,310, which further divide by 2, I'll get 6,655. So which cannot be divided by 2, 3 or 4. So I am dividing it by 5. I get 1,331, which I am dividing it by 11. I'll get 121, which further divide by 11. I'll get 11. So 11 can be divided by 11. So the value is 1. So now these are the factors of 53,240. So now let's write it. So I'll count 2's, 1, 2, 3, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. Then I'll count, I have 1, 5. So I have written here. Then we'll count 11's. 1, 2, 3, 11. So 11 into 11 into 11. So now we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. But here, the factor 5 appears only 1 time. So we can say that the number 53,240 is not a perfect cube number. So our question, so we want to find a factor that must be divided by this 53,240 so that the quotient becomes a perfect square. So now if you look here, so only the number 5 doesn't have pair. So we have to divide the number 53,240 divided by 5. So if you divide by 5, then you will get 10,648. So if you divide by 5 here, so this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. So your answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. So if you see here, 2 appears 3 times and 11 appears 3 times. So it is a perfect cube number. So thus 5 is the smallest natural number by which 53,240 should be divided so that the quotient, that is 10,648, is a perfect cube. Let's see the next example is 1,188 a perfect cube. If not, by which smallest natural number should 1,188 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? So we have to follow the same steps. First we have to find the prime factorization. Okay, then we have to find the factors. Then from the factor we can decide what is the smallest number to be divided. First we will do prime factorization of 1,188. So first I am dividing by 2, so I'll get 594, which further divide by 2, I'll get 297, which we can divide it by 3, so we'll get 99. 99 can be divided by 3 to get 33, which can be divided by 3 to get 11. So 11 again divided by 11, I'll get 1. Now we'll write the prime factors of 1,188. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. So we know that for a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. But if you look here, the factor 2 appears only 2 times and the factor 11 appears only 1 time. So this number 1,188 is not a perfect cube number. So to make it a cube, we have to divide it by this 2 into 2 into 11. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 11 is 44. So we have to divide 1,188 divided by 44. So if you divide by this 2 into 2 into 11, so this and this will get cancelled. So you will get only 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So we know that 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So which is a perfect cube number. So thus 44 is the smallest natural number by which 1,188 should be divided so that the quotient 27 is a perfect cube number. The next example given is find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, so the given numbers are 81 and 128. So first we'll take the number 81. Okay, so we have to follow the same step. So we have to find the smallest number by it should be divided. So to find the smallest number, we have to do prime factorization to find the factors. So now I am doing prime factorization of 81. So 81 cannot be divided by 2. So I am dividing it by 3. So I'll get 27. Which further divide by 3, I'll get 9. Which further divide by 3, I'll get 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So these are all the factors of 81. So if I write 81, we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 3 appearing 4 times. But we know that if a number is a perfect cube, then each factor should appear 3 times. But here 3 appears 4 times. We can group this 3. Okay, then 1 3 will be left. It doesn't have a pair. Okay, so we can say that 81 is not a perfect cube. And to make it as a perfect cube, we have to divide it by 3. So if you divide it by 3, you will get the remaining as 3 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but 27. That's 3 cube. So this is a perfect cube number. So thus we can say 3 is the smallest natural number by which 81 should be divided. Show that the quotient 27 is a perfect cube number. The next number given is 128. So now we will do prime factorization first to find the factors. Okay, so now 128 I am dividing by 2, I will get 64, which divided by 2 I will get 32, 32 divided by 2 I will get 16, 16 divided by 2 I will get 8, 8 divided by 2 I will get 4, 4 divided by 2 I will get 2, so 2 divided by 2 I will get 1. So now the prime factors are, we will count the number of 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2's. So I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 7 2's. So now I have grouped this 3 2's and this 3 2's, only 1 2 is remaining. So we know that for a perfect cube, each number should appear 3 times. Here this 2 appears only 1 time. So 128 is not a perfect cube number. To make it as a perfect cube number, we have to divide it by 2. So 128 divided by 2, we will know that it's 64. That is 2 cube into 2 cube. That's 4 cube, which is nothing but 64. So 64 is a perfect cube number. So for this 128, we can write 2 is the smallest natural number by which the 128 should be divided, so that the quotient 64 is a perfect cube number. Hope you have understood all the examples well. How to find the given number is a perfect cube number or not by prime factorization method, and finding the smallest natural number by which the given number should be divided to make the number a perfect cube number. Thank you for watching the video.